If you're thinking about using DistroKid to release your music online, then this video is for you. Hey there, I'm Lydia Walker from rusticsongbird.com, and in this video I want to talk about how you can use DistroKid to release your music on all of the streaming and download platforms. Now, whenever you're releasing your first song, there's a lot that goes into it, I know, and there's so many choices and it can get confusing. But I want to share with you a tool to get your music distributed to all of the download sites, all of the streaming platforms, and it's going to save you a boatload of money. So if you're excited, hit the like button and let's get started. I want to thank DistroKid for sponsoring this video, and I'm hooking you up with a discount. You can get 7% off your membership by going to distrokid.com/VIP, that's you, /Lydia, that's me, Lydia. So get 7% off a membership by going to distrokid.com/VIP/Lydia to get started. I'm going to show you my screen in this video so you can check out the dashboard and what it looks like once you're signed up, once you're logged in, and some of the options and features that you have when you're using DistroKid to release your music online. Before I get started showing you my computer screen and talking about the dashboard and the features, I just wanted to briefly talk about some of the benefits of using DistroKid to release your music online. So if you have written these amazing songs and you've gotten them recorded and you're thinking, okay, what's next? It can seem really overwhelming and confusing with all the options out there, and I like that DistroKid makes it simple to get your songs set up and ready to release. They have a very clean, simple, easy platform, easy to fill out form with all of your information. You can get paid all in one place. Their payout system is very cool because if you have any co-writers, you can put their names there and they get paid every time as well. So you don't have to keep up with the streams and the payouts and the splits and all of that. They take care of it for you, which is awesome. Another thing that I like about DistroKid is that they have a membership that's for the year instead of per album, which can save you a boatload of money, because if you start out with the basic musician plan, it's $19.99 for the year with unlimited releases. So if you have a release plan of putting out a song every single month or putting out multiple singles leading up to an album, that can get pricey if you are paying out for every release and every single and then the album. It can really add up, and so I really like that their pricing structure is for the year and you can release as many songs as you want, because more releases is a good thing, but breaking the bank is not. So I really like how they set it up with the different plans. You can have some extras as well. So there's a basic plan, there's a Musician Plus plan with some more features, and then there's the label plan where you can have up to 5 artists on that account. So they've set it up in a way that's easy to use, which I like, and it just makes the process a lot simpler. So if that sounds good to you, I'm going to show you my computer screen and give you more of the behind the scenes of what it looks like once you're signed up and once you're logged in to DistroKid, and just see a little bit behind the scenes. All right, here we go. This is what the page looks like when you go to that special link at distrokid.com/VIP/Lydia. It will take you here to this page, and it says, you clicked a VIP link. Someone sure loves you. And I do. I'm hooking you up with 7% off your first year's membership. You can sign up here on this page and you'll see those discounted prices. You can sign up right here with your email and set up a password. When you upload your music through DistroKid, they'll put your music out to Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, Pandora, Amazon, Instagram, YouTube, Tidal, iHeartRadio, Deezer, and a ton of other stores and streaming services. The list goes on. And guess what? You get to keep 100% of your earnings. You'll get paid monthly. It's in stores faster. And with the basic musician plan, you only pay $19.99 to upload unlimited albums, unlimited songs for a year. And their competitors charge at least 2 times that to upload just one album. So if you're uploading a lot of music, this is the cheapest you can get, and it's fast. You'll keep all of your earnings. You can set up any splits with co-writers and they get paid. And you also have extra features that you won't get anywhere else. You can do cover songs legally. You can get paid when people use your music in their YouTube videos. You can also get that Spotify verified blue check mark and manage your Apple Music page all from the dashboard. You'll get a YouTube official artist channel, access to Spotify pre-saves, and so much more. Now you might be asking some questions like, well, why should I use DistroKid? DistroKid is the only service that lets you upload unlimited music to stores for that one low price, and other services make you pay every time you upload something, and that gets way more expensive, right? You can check out all of these artists that have used DistroKid and love it. Real quick, I want to show you what it looks like when you sign in. So we're going to click sign in, and I'll show you the dashboard. When you first log in to DistroKid, you'll have this screen where you have some options up at the top to upload your music. You can also check out more options here for your profile and different features that they have that you can use. If you want to set up your account settings, check out their frequently asked questions, check out their referral program and recommend it to your friends who are making music. And there's a lot of other things right here to help promote your music, but this is what it looks like when you first log in. So let's click upload music and see what it looks like. When you're going through the process to set up your first song, it will give you options of all of the services that you want to include your music on. You can deselect any of these that you don't want, or you can just leave them all selected. Then you decide if you're releasing a single, if you're releasing multiple songs, if you're releasing a whole album, let them know that. If it's been previously released on another distribution platform and you're moving it over, you can mark that as well. If you're switching to DistroKid and trying it out for the first time, you put your artist name here, the release date, and you want to make sure that it's at least a week ahead to increase your chances of getting added to playlists. That's really important for when your album or your single goes live, so that it gives you the biggest boost that you can get by being added to playlists automatically. You just need to give them a little bit of time and not release it at the last minute. So you can decide if you want to have a pre-order on iTunes, on Google Play, Amazon, or if you don't want to pre-order, that's fine too. Now, when you get to this record label spot, if you are unsigned and independent artist, which most people are, there are a lot of unsigned artists out there that are doing this for themselves, which I love, and you can just make up your own label name. It can be anything you want. If you are the one releasing your music, then you can decide that. Next, you'll upload your album cover artwork, which can be a JPEG or a PNG file. As long as it's 3000 by 3000 pixels, you can upload that from your computer here. I recommend using Canva to design your album cover artwork. You can download it from Canva and then upload it right here on this page. Now, below the album artwork, you'll choose the language. You'll choose your primary genre. This is important because it's going to show your music to people that listen to similar artists, to similar genres. So just pick the one that fits the best and the closest to you. Don't worry about it if it's not an exact fit. This just lets them know how to categorize your music. And guess what? You also get a secondary genre. So there's two genres that you can mark to be found by people that like similar artists. Right here, you can type in your song title and it gives you some specifics on how that needs to be written to make sure that it works on all the platforms. So I really appreciate that they have these details for you to make sure that it's going to be correct. Next, you'll upload your audio file, which WAV files are recommended. You can also do a high quality MP3 if that's what you have, but usually they recommend WAV files. So you can upload your audio for the song right here. If this is an original song and you are the songwriter, then you'll mark that. If it's a cover song, then you'll mark that. And you put in your songwriter real name, your legal name, to make sure that you get credit and you get paid for your music. You can also mark if it's explicit or not, if this is a radio edit, if it's instrumental. You just give them some more details so they'll know all about your song and put it in the right places. Next, you can decide your preview clip start time. So if there's a 30-second clip of your song, you can just let the streaming services decide, or you can pick the part that you like the best. Next is your track price. You can choose if it's going to be 99 cents, if it's going to be 69 cents, or if it's going to be $1.29. And you have some choice there depending on what you want to do. So you can choose how much it's going to charge on those platforms. Next, there are some extras which are optional. You can opt in here to be included in possible Instagram and Facebook music stories. You can also add this extra to get paid YouTube money, which is if your music is used in any YouTube videos, then they collect that for you from YouTube's Content ID, and they will pay you through DistroKid. So there's a little more information if you want to include that, but it's an extra that you can add if you want it. Next is the store maximizer option, where it will automatically deliver your single to new online stores as they add them. So you won't be missing out on any new services, and you don't have to go in and manually add them later on. So that saves a lot of time and gives you more opportunities. You can also opt in to be Shazammed. If someone uses Shazam to figure out what song this is playing in the overhead in a restaurant or something, then that's what that feature does. Also, you have the Leave a Legacy extra, which means that DistroKid will never delete the single. Even if you cancel your account and you don't keep it going, then it won't be deleted at any time. It will live on, and it will continue to accrue all royalties forever. Leave your legacy for future generations. So that's really cool, but it's optional. After you read through these important checkboxes, and if you agree to the terms and are ready to go, you've got everything filled in, then you can click done and submit your song. It is that easy, and that's what it looks like to submit your single through DistroKid. If you're ready to get started with DistroKid and you want that discount for 7% off, then go to distrokid.com/VIP/Lydia, LYDIA, and get started right away. You can type that in your browser or just click the link in the description below to get started with DistroKid. Sign up today. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to this channel for even more videos coming soon about the music business and the music industry to help you take your career to the next level. I'll see you in the next video.